gonna make myself look less disgusting. And my eyeball is swollen, not really sure what that's about. But I think I'll live. But yeah, so in this video I'm gonna make myself look not gross. First, I'm gonna start with a clay mask. Big ol' mess, but Sand and Sky, Australian pink clay. And I've done this, I did this a few days ago, and it made my face so stiff that I almost had a panic attack. So dry, it just gets really dry, like Sahara Desert dry. Now we wait. Look like a ghost. I was doing art. It's starting to happen. It's getting a little dry. Pet cemetery. I look like an old lady. I'm so dry. Might as well take care of my lips while I'm at it. It's from Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink. You put it on, it's like sugar. You can actually eat it too. Whatever. Alright, I will be back. I'm back. Yeah, I didn't wash my hair. You know you're not supposed to wash your hair every day. Okay. What are we doing? Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. This is supposed to be like a makeup tutorial, but will it be? Who's to say? It's cool. We're fine. Primer. So I got this from Sephora, like forever ago. Glam Glow, Glow Starter, Nude Glow, 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 Glow.
Well, hold on, folks. Don't put your things away just yet.
Did you guys hear that? Something moved in my kitchen. Do you believe in ghosts? I believe in ghosts. May have been one. Who's to say? You just kind of put on your primer like that. Get the face ready. Oh, by the way, I get Ipsy. So I have like 6 bags down here of just little Ipsy bags. And I use Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, even though I use a concealer on top of it too, which I got in my Ipsy bag, and I absolutely love it. Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. I know you can't see it, but just trust me. I can read, I think. I don't know. So I usually cover up the nasty bags under my eyes. Beautiful. I'm already 10 times more better looking. Okay, how's it?
For that pay cut you took last week, that was very sweet. Look, I don't want to
Oh yeah, this brush itself. Something else. Always have internet. Okay, so since my eyeball is swollen, I usually put on eyeliner, but since we're having some physical difficulties, I'm not putting on eyeliner or eyeshadow today, which is what I normally do, but right, we'll make it. We'll make things work. That's what you gotta do. You just gotta make things work. Something happens, you gotta adapt. You gotta be able to adapt. So we are adapting, and every time after I put on my concealer / foundation, I contour. I think I got this through Ipsy like forever ago, but Farrah brush, large angled contour brush. Honestly, didn't know this was a contour brush, and I've been using it for contour, so who's the real winner here? I also think I got this in an Ipsy bag. Contour palette, City Color. I use it every time. I love it. I'm going to little dot. And honestly, everything that I've learned how to do my makeup has been through like a YouTube account. This is all self-taught, or YouTube taught, I guess we could say. I don't ever really use this one because I have my own highlighter, possibly. Well, actually we're gonna use this highlighter. Estate. Got this through Ipsy. Like all of my makeup is through Ipsy. But we're not gonna use that yet. Just yet. Getting a little ahead of myself. What was I doing? What did I do? Contour. Setting powder. Oh my god. I had to go get my setting powder because I forgot it. Okay, so I actually got this from a dollar store. I think this was maybe $1.50, but LA Colors. Sometimes explodes. See, that's what I like. Just put it in there. Get a nice little cover all the imperfections and things that didn't blend very well. That's why I contour before, because I can't contour very well. I will probably end up putting on eyeshadow at least. I always have some sort of dark makeup. So I always go a mixture in between the pink and the orange. Give that a little bedoozle. I always wash my nose and my nose. And a little bit on my neck. And then we have the sparkly stuff. That's the kind of stuff that I like. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, what am I doing? Eyeshadow. Should I put on eyeshadow? Probably shouldn't. You know what? I'm going to anyway. So I got this from Sephora. So you open it. Luxie 239 Precision Shader. Kind of wherever it wants to go. Because go with the flow, man. I don't ever plan things out in advance. Things just kind of happen the way they are meant to happen. That one. And go into the crease directly. Not really shade it out a whole lot. Okay. Another Farrah brush. Beautiful. I love it. I blend it because I suck at blending stuff. You can't say I didn't try. What else do I normally do? Mascara. Should I put on mascara? No, I probably shouldn't. And I'll show you what I normally use. Collab. I found this the other day. Cocoa Contour. So I'm going to contour just a little bit more. And I forgot to do this. I normally edges of my nose and I have a little bit of white nose. It works. I'm fine with it. I think I look good. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. You know what? I'm gonna do my eye makeup because what's a makeup tutorial without eye makeup? It's not. Absolutely not. So, I got this, I think. D-O-U-C-C-E. So, look how fine that is. Go for it. Oh, go for it. You just wing it. You just fucking wing it. It always stresses me out when I see people on makeup tutorials do their winged eyeliner because it's so stressful. I'm just watching myself. It's so stressful. I'm scared. Alright, should I go for it? Just gonna wing it. Oh, it's actually not bad. Okay, okay. It looked a lot worse. So every time you mess up, you just gotta make it thicker. Just keep going. Done with that. Looks different, but you know, I don't even care because I don't care. See, look at that. As simple as that. Alright, so you guys can obviously see why I put on eye makeup. It brings me from about a 6 to about a 7.5. I'm just kidding. I'm a goddamn 10. Because confidence is key. Don't ever put yourself down. So yeah, that's really just my everyday makeup. I just kind of through the years picked up on things and learned through YouTube videos, and that's it. Also, I have the coolest shirt ever on. Buy their stuff. I love this shirt, even though I turned it into a little bit of a crop top. You gotta show off the midriff. Alright, thank you guys for watching. There may be more videos like this. I may try to turn it into some sort of like Halloween makeup stuff because I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday out of all of the holidays. I like Thanksgiving too, because I like to eat. Food is good. But Halloween, man.